各位觀眾，歡迎收睇《商業透視》，我係梁永恩。經濟衰退影響到各行各業，零售嘅打擊可能係其中最嚴重。其實一啲分析家認為，零售業面對嘅唔單止係經濟問題咁簡單嘅，喺消費者期望越高嘅時候，零售商亦面對更大挑戰同競爭。所以當一位行家生意做得好嘅時候，佢嘅聲譽好快會提高。而不少新聞媒介，包括47台在內，有興趣了解佢成功嘅秘訣。喺咁多零售業中，時裝可能係最難做嘅。我哋今晚訪問嘅店主唔單止能夠做到生意，佢俾人嘅印象係一片輕鬆同埋滿懷希望感受。佢形容自己為一位再生嘅零售商 （born again retailer）。不過佢亦強調，佢做親嘅嘢都係對得住所有嘅客人。呢位店主真係多多理論，不如就一齊同佢傾下啦。當好多行家業務上出現財政問題時候，呢一間折扣特惠女裝店就宣布非常優越嘅業績。事實上喺消費力下降期間而做到400萬元生意額，的確令人刮目相看。行內人話，每平方尺500元嘅營業額係相當可觀嘅數字，連店鋪個名都反映呢一點。Alive and Well 即係指生氣勃勃、生意興隆。店主唐菊巴表示，開業5年嚟，佢做生意嘅宗旨並冇改變過。佢話每一位客人逢係購物都應得到最基本嘅價值。點樣為客人慳錢係佢公司基本嘅宗旨之一。
We just started doing things this way originally because we thought it was fundamentally the right thing to do. I think it's fabulous to be able to honestly save people, women, in our case, money on their purchases, to bring them real value.
行家會話呢間店好多手法都係噱頭嚟嘅，但店主菊巴就否認，因為樣樣見到嘅都係反映佢待人嘅心態。唐菊巴話呢一套理論係十分之重要，喺整個女裝行業面對供過於求困擾嘅時候，零售商必須各出奇謀，以不同手法去吸引消費者入嚟購物。但唐菊巴否認佢一套理論係乜嘢嘅噱頭。因為佢所推行嘅構思，只不過係實現客人心目中要求嘅嘢。佢相信女士們有好多嘅要求，都係一啲基本嘅價值問題。當然，店主必定要能夠真正了解同埋有膽識去進行啦。
They can't be gimmicks. I think you would just ask any woman how many items she would like to take in the change room, and she'll tell you as many as I would like. And if she's thirsty, should she be able to have a drink? And the answer would be yes. I mean, this is just human, just fundamentally human and fundamentally right. And but it takes two things. It takes real perception as to what people want and real understanding as to what people want, and then the courage to do it.
菊巴話：太多同行實在疏忽咗客人基本上嘅需要。除此之外，一般零售商，特別係大百貨公司，喺價錢上 mark up 嘅政策係十分荒謬。女士們經已對呢一套手法感到非常不滿，而好多人已唔相信大減價嘅噱頭。Alive and Well 女裝店就以價值、品種同埋服務取勝啦。
They create a phony high price and then they mark it down to a price that it probably should have been in the first place and call that a sale. But women have become very skeptical about that. So how then, if we're going to be an honest discounter, a store that honestly is saving people money, how do we reach out to people and have them understand and believe that we're for real, that we're not part of the pack? And you do that by letting people know where your heart is.
唐菊巴的確有好多與眾不同嘅理論，多年做女裝供應商嘅經驗可算相當寶貴。呢啲經驗亦帶嚟入貨另一種嘅策略。折扣特惠店平均利潤十分之淺薄，因此來價方面越低就越有利。唐菊巴主要與一啲被大百貨公司臨時拋棄嘅供應商提取貨源。佢話不少百貨公司都因為船期或其他因素而取消合約嘅。供應商為咗唔想蝕本，就寧願以一啲低價出讓。喺咁嘅情況下，唐菊巴好多時就買到平貨啦。但佢強調，佢只係5至10天遲過行家收貨。
And merchandise becomes available because there's nothing wrong with the merchandise, but something went wrong with the transaction. as I say, credit was bad at the last minute or the merchandise came in a bit late. There's something wrong with the transaction. The merchandise is perfectly good. That's the merchandise that we jump on. And we are able to have merchandise in here, in season, but maybe a week or 10 days after the rest of the industry. That's all.
除咗貨源嘅問題之外，唐菊巴其實將不少注意力集中於點樣討好客人。店內所有嘅指示牌都係以輕鬆野笑形式表達。唐菊巴話：購物嘅氣氛對客人十分重要。除咗要令客人覺得買到物超所值嘅貨品之外，佢仲希望能夠喺各方面留下深刻嘅印象。所有公司嘅廣告都帶有感情上嘅色彩。佢話公司嘅廣告俾人嘅承諾，佢一定有能力達到嘅。為咗親身表達自己待人嘅人生觀，菊巴自己親手創出所有嘅電台廣告，無需依靠廣告公司。
Try to set a level of expectation which will be enough to get people to come in and try the store, but that the store must deliver at least 30% more real substantive merchandise value and real emotional value and fun and comfort and service than the people expected. Because we believe that the emotional definition of value, which is the only definition of value that matters to people, is I got more than I expected.
分析家曾指出，唐菊巴嘅生意手法喺全北美相當罕有。雖然部分提供嘅服務並冇乜嘢新意，但似乎呢啲額外嘅服務係相當受歡迎。免費嘅尿片、飲品、兒童玩耍嘅地方係佢其中嘅例子。唐菊巴所有額外嘅服務，無形中將成本提高，但佢認為能夠令客人買嘢買得開心，點都係划算嘅。
To women to listen to what they hate about the shopping experience today or what they feel strongly about, and to give them exactly what they want, how they want it.
其實唐菊巴推行嘅業務宗旨，主要係同待人尊敬問題有關。佢表示，一般女裝店都唔容許人帶多過3件衣物入試身室。菊巴認為呢啲政策除咗暗示公司唔信人之外，仲相當唔方便。喺 Alive and Well， 客人試衫嘅件數係冇限制規定嘅。
Our sign on all of our change rooms that says, please take as many items in the change room as you wish, as opposed to the limit 3 items in the change room, you crook sign that's in every clothing store. That's an expression of trust, fundamental trust that the customer appreciates.
究竟菊巴點解要大肆宣傳佢生意之道呢？佢話除咗宣傳上價值之外，佢仲希望女士們終於能夠有一度地方真真正正享受到購物嘅樂趣。佢話雖然見到嘅一切似乎好簡單，但所有嘅構思都需經過好多努力先能夠實現嘅。佢話佢平均每星期工作80至90小時，成功係需要好多額外嘅貢獻嘅。
And this is a discount store doing things that regular stores would never think to do. And that will take one heck of a lot of work, and there will be just lots of 3:30 and 4 o'clock in the mornings to do it. To succeed today requires a level of dedication that maybe most people just aren't able to put forward day in and day out.
一位成功嘅商人必定有好多優勝嘅條件，其中最緊要嘅係對自己產品有一定嘅信心。假如冇信心，推銷就會困難得多。我哋休息翻嚟，另外睇睇一位新入行嘅食品生產商點樣推銷佢一隻新產品啦。